I'm going to, once again, use a smoothie as a way of using up some of my older fruits. I've got some fruit, again, that's on the verge of being inedible. So why not use it up to make a smoothie? So this is going to be a hodgepodge of different things that I'm not working from a formula or a recipe. I'm just hoping this is going to turn out okay. So let's make this smoothie. Okay, I've got an avocado here that I know is about as ripe as it's going to get before it turns brown. Oh, nice. Look at that. Clean inside. Got a spoon here. I'm going to spoon my avocado in there. I love avocado. They're a little expensive, but boy, I think they're worth the price for the health benefits. Okay. And then the other side. I really like avocado. Lemon and salt. Boy, that's a treat. Next, I'm going to put a cup of spinach in there because this spinach is getting kind of old. This came into it at about 45 grams when I weighed it. I've never used spinach in a smoothie before. I've used kale, but not spinach. I've got a pear that's looking really old here. So, it's got some blemishes in it. Got a bruise. And those bruises are okay. They're not going to kill me if I use them, but okay. Toss the pear in there. And then I have a cup of plain yogurt. This came in at 250 grams. This is regular yogurt. It's not Greek-style yogurt. I actually bought this to get back into making my own yogurt again. I make my own Greek-style yogurt. A cup of orange juice. I like to put orange juice. So 1 cup is 237 milliliters. And then rather than ice, I'm using some frozen strawberries. That's my ice. Frozen strawberries. And then finally, because I like the benefit of it, I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. All right, my lid is over here. Let's blend this up. Got my blender on, set it to number 1. I love using my Vitamix. Start it blending, and then I'm going to turn the speed up to high and go for maybe 30 seconds on this one. And this is when you can start adjusting. Okay, this doesn't have a lot of flow to it, but I do want to taste it first. See, it's kind of thick. Ooh, that's good. But I'm going to add a packet of stevia for a little more sweetness. And then I'm going to water it down with a little bit more orange juice so that it will be drinkable. Maybe another half a cup. And then again, whir this up to get that blended in. I don't need to go high on that because all I'm doing is stirring it. And what I like to do before I get it out of the jar is I want to taste it. I have a stainless steel straw here. They're banning plastic straws in this town. Oh, that is a wonderful flavor. Ooh, how do I describe that? It tastes like something I know, but sense memory doesn't tell me what it is. Anyways, I'm going to pour a glass for myself. So there is my nice, thick, frothy smoothie. And then, because I always make extra, I keep jars in my refrigerator. And I'll fill these. I can usually get about 12 ounces each. That's not quite 12. That's 12 right there. 12. Fill up my glass. Little excess. More is better, right? Okay, I'll put those jars in the refrigerator for later. All right. I'm wearing the right colored shirt. I think I figured out what this flavor is, which it should taste like. It tastes like fruit yogurt, fruit flavored yogurt, like peach yogurt or something, which is right. Oh, that's a nice flavor. Not too sweet, but refreshing. Boy, that is just such a good flavor. I really enjoy that. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my smoothie.